If you're poor here and if you're poor here, you are always going to feel poor here, regardless of how much money do you have. How much money do you need? How much money will satisfy your greed? If you have to sell your life to make money, you're making it the wrong way. And here is what you can do. Hey, my name is Dr. Maruti Sharma. I've spent 25 years of my life on my mission to explore the science of happiness so that I can help you feel more happy, feel more freedom, feel more freshness, and feel true love in this lifetime. The amount of money you need, the amount of money that will satisfy your greed is connected to the amount of happiness, freedom, freshness, and love that you feel in your life. It means more happiness, more freedom, more freshness, and more love you feel in your life, lesser you'll feel the need and greed for money. I want you to do an experiment. Try feeling happy, feeling love, feeling freedom, and feeling fresh, and feeling the need and greed for money in the same moment. It's not possible. It doesn't happen. This reflects that people who believe in money, who say, hey, money is important, and who want to spend all their life making more money, they are broke. They are bankrupt on feelings of happiness, love, and freedom. Think about it. It just doesn't make sense. Who in the right state of mind will ever sell happiness, love, and freedom to make money? And yet we see people selling their 9 to 5, selling their youth, selling their time that's meant for who they love and what they love, doing stuff that they're not passionate about, being with people they don't really care about it, just to make some more money. To me, it simply means that people who are already unhappy, who are slaves to ignorance, who are bored, who feel no love in their lives, are the ones who sell their lives for making more money, because deep down they've been programmed to believe that money is going to get them happiness, love, and freedom. And it never happens. Before you find this hypothesis strange and stupid that more happiness, love, and freedom you feel, less you feel the need for money, I want you to consider for a moment, since when human beings started craving more for money and less for happiness, love, and freedom. If you're still convinced about making money, here's my secret formula that will save your life. Go after happiness, freedom, love, and creativity. Master these. And the day you master these, and the day your life is full of happiness, freedom, and love, you'll be surprised to find that you already have way more money than you need. And you made all this money without selling a moment of your life. Here's a sign of intelligence. If you're truly intelligent, you won't throw away your precious life in pursuit of some money. And here is what wisdom is all about. It simply means you don't feel the need or greed for money because you're already feeling happy, feeling free, a master of your own destiny with a lot of love in life.